Is silver ready for the next big rally? Let's check it out in this short video. Now this is a chart of SLV which is on 3 months candle. So each candle is 3 months candle, and as you can see here and in front of you, it's a nice rounding bottom has been formed from 2011, and now it's kind of, if you see, a kind of a cup and handle, and if you see some of the trend bars, but looking at the bigger chart gives you a very big context about what's going on. But hey, this is not all. Now I'll show you something which is going to be mind-blowing. Now that was SLV, that is a ETF, but this is a silver chart in 12 months candle. One candle is 1 year candle. Now if I put our peaceful weekend investing power glide indicator, which gives you a complete clarity of what's going on here, and you see here last time, and the way we look at it, last time whenever there's a blue rhombus gets kicked in, what happened? That was in 1948, and after that there was a humongous rally. People don't understand that. This is crazy. All right, 3,788% rise in silver in that particular era. When it was there, it was boom. Maybe that was industrial era when silver was used. We need to go and check it out. Then there was a complete slump for how many years, from 1981 till 2010, when it made a high of 49.83. This is in US dollar terms, and this is the yearly chart, mind you. And then you got a nice rounding bottom, and now it is kind of, it's, I always call it an anticipation trade, no recommendation buy and sell. So let's see whether it goes here or it goes down. Time will tell. Well, but that is something we have to see. But if you see this in 12 months candle, we have got a nice rhombus also formed here, which is also telling us that, hey, there is something going on. Let's check it out. And that is what I call it, a next big rally is in waiting. So please keep a close watch on it. And if I look at on monthly candle, which will give you a complete clarity also, we got our rhombus, and now if you see here, this is now forming a nice base, by the way, and you can see the nice base has been formed, and we're looking for some kind of Trump rally, whatever it is you call it. But there's something going on which we need to keep a close watch on silver, right? So I give you a perspective on the monthly, 3 months and 12-month candle. That's what we try to focus on. But yeah, we do also look at weekly and daily, but that's a different strategy altogether. But something which you can review in your coming days, weeks, months. Keep an eye on silver. Till Shivand Bhatta here, signing off from Peaceful Weekend Investing. Do consider subscribing to the channel. Give a thumbs up if you find this useful. Thank you.